Read and learn, shine so bright. Smart kids grow with moonlight.
Read and learn, shine so bright. Smart kids grow with moonlight. eSchoolify series, fun and true. Learning dreams for me and you.
Welcome to eSchoolify series.
Good morning and Assalamu alaikum. My sweet students, how are you? Me, Sayyida Mayam Nakvi from the Moonlight International Publishers. Okay, why are you shocked? Are you looking towards these two things? Okay, let me tell you. What's this? It's yellow highlighter. And what's it? It's blackboard marker. What's this? It's blackboard marker. Okay. Could you see them? Now tell me, how many yellow highlighters are there in my hand?
One.
Yes, you're right. One. Now, how many blackboard markers are there in my hand?
One.
Of course, one. Very good. Okay, could you see my face? Tell me, how many nose are there on my face?
One.
Exactly, one. Okay, now look at your screen. What is this? It's number one. Let's write. Start from the dot, come straight down. It will make number one. One blackboard marker. One yellow highlighter. One nose. Could you see over here? One cat sat on one mat. Let's do action like that. We all will sit on this mat. Okay? One cat sat on one mat. Very good. One cat walks so slow through the grass to and fro, soft and warm, feeling glad. One sweetest cat we have had. Now it's time to say goodbye. Thank you, Allah Hafiz.